channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. It is Day back again with another video for y'all. So babes, I look busty right now. But that's the whole point of this video. So I'm about to get ready to go, y'all. We about to go on a road trip. So this is going to be like the maintenance vlog because obviously I look busty. So yeah, I look busty and very much run down, but it's okay though because we're about to get cute. We're about to get beautified. That's the whole point of this vlog. So yeah, basically I've just been running around. So I'm going to let you guys see the errands that I ran. So yeah, I've been running errands, I've been running around, life has been very much hectic, but yes, today is the day that we need to get ourselves together because I don't have any other time. I was trying to be done early, y'all, but y'all know my time management is very much poor. So let's go ahead and hop into this video, y'all. I literally had maybe like 6 hours to get my entire life together. That's hair, nails, toe, like everything need to be done and did. Packing, like this whole entire vlog is gonna be everything. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and hop into this video by starting with this package I just got, baby, cause let's talk about it. So we just got a package from Amazon and I'm about to show you guys what's in the package because I needed it for the trip. So we are about to open the package from Amazon. I'm super excited because what I needed for the trip was in the package and I was like panicking because I didn't think it was gonna be here on time. So let's go ahead and get into the package. Okay, so this is my Amazon package. I did do a huge opening my packages videos pretty much for this trip. If you guys are interested in seeing that video, I will have it linked down below. But yeah, I had some extra packages that I had to get last minute, so these are those packages. So this is what was inside of this package. This right here is bubble bath. I will need that for my trip. Stay tuned in the vlog. This is hair. I needed this. Like, this is the number one thing I needed. I needed my hair because my hair's not done. And then lastly, I needed this for my toiletries and stuff, and I'm gonna open this and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so these are the press-on nails I'm about to put on. This is my set for this trip. I'm super excited. I'm ready because y'all see this is not cute. I'm excited. I'm ready to do this. So we're about to put these press-ons on. They're super long than what I've been like wearing lately, so I probably should do this later, but I need to do a video and my nails cannot look like this. So let's put these on. Okay, so this is the way that I'm going to put them. So this is this side and that's the other side. So now that I have all the sizes and everything lined up, I can just go ahead and glue them on. Okay, yeah, so I'm about to use these press-ons. I already had them. I think I got them from like AliExpress. I didn't feel the need to get my nails done or go buy different press-ons because I just felt like this was the mood. So we're just gonna use what we have, and that's what I was trying to do this trip. I did buy some stuff, as you guys can see, because y'all know how I do. But yeah, I did buy some stuff, but I was trying for the most part to use what I had. As far as like the nails and toes, I did my own toes. I'm gonna let you guys see clips of that. I did that last night.
Wait a minute, I think I left my conscience on your front doorstep. Oh, wait a minute, I think I left my consciousness in a sixth dimension. But I'm here right now, just sitting in a cloud.
Okay, so these are the nails. This is how it turned out. They're so cute.
Me if they were, you see me do my da, so me better when you are la, when the cat from my
yeah, okay.
Okay, baby, so this is the wig. I did bleach the knots, but as you can see, I definitely over bleached. I was talking to my aunt and I got a little distracted. So this is the hair right here, and it is slightly over bleached, but I am about to go in with some black dye and dye it jet black and then fix the little imperfections like this. I'm just gonna put black over it. Okay, baby, so we got the hair situated. I dyed it, bleached it, and everything. It's still drying, but I did go ahead and add my band for the elastic cap. I don't know if it's too small though. I feel like it's too small. I don't know. I didn't try it on. I should have. I just didn't. I didn't think about it. And I do need to redo like the 4 braids at the top because I want it to be like really, really sleek. So I want to redo the braids and like make them smaller. So yeah, I didn't like tailor it to my head the way I was supposed to, but it's elastic, so I feel like, I don't know, maybe it'll stretch. The wig is very much together. She's getting dry, and next I'm gonna go ahead and start my lashes, and then we're just gonna throw some stuff in the suitcase because I don't know what to pack. I literally bought a bunch of fall clothes, and like I said, it's 98 degrees down there, so it just feels like everything I shopped for is like wrong, and I have to like return a lot of stuff. So I don't know, the pressure is getting worse. Like it's a lot going on right now, and literally it's 1 and we're supposed to leave around 3 or 4. So yeah, I'm about to throw these lashes on, and then we're gonna throw some stuff in the bag. I pretty much have all my toiletries together, all my hair stuff together, any car accessories, like stuff that I need for like my camera and stuff, I have that together. I just need the clothes, and I just didn't know what to pack because I didn't shop for 98-degree weather. I shopped for fall. So I already have a tutorial on how I do my lashes at home. I have one for strip lashes, and then I have one for like individual lashes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my lashes, but these are the ones I picked for this trip. I want to like do a different one than the last one I did. So we're gonna be cutting up these. They're very like wispy and long. I just don't know. I'm not really into like long lashes anymore, but with the like bust down like jet black hair, I don't know, like it's just giving. Like to me it's giving. So we're gonna do that with the wispy lashes. So you need your lashes, of course. You need scissors. I would definitely use like, I guess not hair scissors, but those really, really tiny scissors for a more accurate cut. But this is all I have at the moment, so we're using these. And so lastly, what we're going to be using is the Kiss IMV glue. I like the black one. I tried the clear one. It burned my eyes so bad. I hate it. So black, and then tweezers and the spoolie. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and get into it. This usually takes me about like 45 minutes to an hour. It just depends. Like sometimes the lashes don't be sticking, sometimes they cooperate, and sometimes they don't. So it just depends. But let's go ahead and do this because it's literally 1:10. We gotta get a move on. So I'm about to go ahead and start.
You need to get done. That work come over. We just need that slow motion. Don't get out of way to no one.
Okay, baby, so these are the lashes. I am done. I'm tired. I don't want to do this no more. But yeah, these are the lashes, and I'm about to get ready to redo a few of my braids like I told you guys for my hair, because I want to put the hair on to see what it's looking like. I need to like straighten it and stuff, but baby, I still need to pack. Like this is just out of control. But yeah, I still need to pack. I need to get in the shower. This is lip scrub on my lips So I just feel like I need to do like a little lip mask or something. But yeah, I need to get in the shower too. It's just a lot still to be done. I'm exhausted. Like my battery is running on E. But just a little bit more and then literally I can just sleep in the car all the way there. But yeah, lashes are done. Check. So let me just keep pushing it to get the rest done. Okay, baby. So this is the hair. I'm trying it on and it fits. I'm about to get ready to cut the lace, but I wanted to show you guys what it looked like with the glueless method. So I'm not adding any glue to this whatsoever. So I just added the elastic band like I showed you, and it's very tight, very snug, but it's not too tight. So I did like a good measurement. And so taking this razor, this little razor right here, we're gonna go ahead and go into the lace and cut it. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna pluck it a little bit, but I wanted to cut majority of the lace, being that it's glueless, so I wanted a more like seamless look. And I just feel like the less lace, the better. So yeah, this is what it's looking like straight glueless. I haven't added anything to it. So yeah, I'm gonna pluck the front a little bit to make it more natural, but I'm loving it. I think I want a middle part. I don't know, I don't want a middle part and a side part. I feel like I had a side part. Like I just had a side part for Miami, even though it don't matter. Like you like what you like, but I don't know. At first I was sure that I wanted a middle part. Now I'm like, kind of want a side part. Okay, yeah, so this is what the wig is giving. In the front, I am gonna take the tweezers and I'm just gonna pluck.
More Diggs has exclusive
I talk
images.
shit. I like money. I like bad. But I'm never play a bitch, yes, I fuck friends. I don't see you other bitches, yes, I set trends. AMG, that's me, she a C-class bitch. That bitch, what nigga, I'm way past 10. I ain't coming in the club till we count back in. I ain't never asked to shit you with yourself, I brought a bin. Rich bitch shit, I don't fuck for the ends. Rich bitch shit, 12 5 for the lens. Free JT, now a real bitch free. Oh, dirty ass house, still hating on me. Purse game, put up a nigga on E. Ain't for Chanel, hit them on the OD. I never tell, he got bells, no key. Homie can't do without chest, OT. Pussy be the truth, J-Lo, 5 rings. Let a nigga ice cream. I want double CCs, he don't get shit free. Got another bitch, nigga, giving that 4B. He'll never ever meet another bitch like me. I never ever let a broke nigga wife me. Lord, I'm his pussy, but it's real pricey. I want double CC, you don't get shit free. I want double CC, what is pussy ain't free. I want double CC, what is pussy pricey. I want double CC's, credit cards and check.
I'll comb the top just to like put it down a little bit. I don't know where my wax stick is, but I can't find it right now. So this is the hair. It's definitely giving, it's cute. It's giving like natural hair. And that's kind of what I was going for. I feel like I can pluck it more, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm not that good at plucking and I was like making errors. So I'm just gonna stop because I don't want to like pluck it too much. But like, baby, the glueless is giving. Like, what? Like, the glueless is giving. We still gotta throw the stuff in the bag. Nobody has contacted me. They must all be asleep because it's 4:30 and we're supposed to be on the road, but I'm still not ready, so I'm not even gonna contact them. And like, I'm not tripping about it because we still got stuff to do, but I'm just trying to figure out like what they doing. But yeah, let me take a quick shower and throw some clothes on, and then I've gotta pack this bag. Like, literally just throw some stuff in the bag, and then that's pretty much it. Like, this is a really, really good wig, and I keep saying that. Like, this is not even sponsored. Like, I bought this wig, but I didn't expect it to be this good for such a last minute wig. Like, I'm blown away. This is a really good wig. But yeah, this is the hair. I'm about to get in the shower, y'all. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. But we gotta keep on pushing because we still got stuff to do. But we're about to go to Houston, and hopefully I can get lots of sleep in the car because I'm exhausted. But yeah.
Been waiting on that sunshine. it like that. No one else gon' get it like that. So I argue, you yeah, but you take me back. Who cares when it feels like crack? Well, you know that you always do it right. Man, fuck your pride. Just take it on back, boy. Take it on back, boy. Take it back all night. Just take it on back. Take it on back. Do what you gotta do. Keep me up all night. Hurtin' vibe and it hurts inside when I look you in your eye. Guess what, boy? We're so young, boy. We ain't got nothing to lose. Just principle. Baby, hold me 'cause I like the way it moves. I bet we're higher than the people on cloud nine. This connection got me feeling like I've known you my whole life. Wow.
So I was supposed to finish this vlog at home, but I'm actually in Texas now. So I showed you guys the hair and I have it in now. I showed you guys my nails and then I didn't get to show you my toes. I'll show you them in 1 second. But I do want to show you guys the temporary tattoos I told you guys about. So this is the one on my arm. And then I have one on my hand, but it kind of faded a little bit because I wore it out today. And then I also have one on my neck because I wanted to see like how I would look with a neck tattoo. And then I have one on my foot as well. Let me show y'all the foot and then also my pedicure that I did. My DIY at-home pedicure. And that is my feet and then that's the other little tattoo I did. And it's the Scorpio constellation. Period. Okay, baby, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time that I drop a video, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys.